Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Ever wondered why you're greeted with the Salesforce dialer error code ID 556215928? You're not alone. This mysterious error has puzzled many, but today we're going to unravel this conundrum. Firstly, let's clarify what this error is. Despite extensive research, there's no official information about this specific error code. However, we did come across a helpful Reddit thread. A Salesforce support worker suggested that anyone encountering this error should contact Salesforce support directly. So if you're facing this error, take their advice. Reach out to Salesforce support and report the issue. If you're unsure how to do this, don't worry. Here are the steps to guide you through the process. Begin by visiting Salesforce and logging into your account. Once you're in, head over to the Help and Training page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Contact Support. From there, select Create a Case. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, and you're done. For those who need a more detailed guide on reaching out to Salesforce support, we've got you covered. Check out the article link shared in the description section. To sum up, the Salesforce dialer error code ID 556215928 remains a bit of a mystery, but don't let that deter you. If you encounter this error, your best course of action is to contact Salesforce support directly. Follow the steps we've outlined, and you'll be back on track in no time. Remember, Salesforce support is there to help you, so don't hesitate to reach out if you're facing this or any other issues. After all, solving problems is all part of the journey. Stay curious, stay engaged, and keep exploring. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.